As you've learned in your pole system journey, many pieces must fit together to create a successful system and have your pole system flowing freely. There are many changes that will be unique to you and your organization, and others that you will share with everyone else. One of those that must take place is leadership must give their full support and commitment to implementing pole. Struggles will come, but if leadership is not bought in, the strategy will not work. In addition to this, everyone needs to have a foundational understanding of pole systems and access to information to keep their knowledge sharp and fresh. One of the toughest behaviors that you will need to follow up on regularly is that people will need to learn to produce based on a trigger or a need. With this in mind, be sure that you are going to the Gemba every day and visiting the place where the work occurs. Do not do this with the intention of monitoring and watching over people, rather with the intention to build up and support your team. This will give you time to help remove struggles that people at the Gemba may be having and keep things flowing freely. Also look for daily improvements. Improvements don't need to cost money, but people will need time to find pain points and fix them. Be sure that they have this time and keep it small and simple. Remember Kaizen. One last thing that will help you monitor your implementation efforts is to align your measurements with your strategy. Try not to have every measurement available, but just the critical measures that will help guide your implementation. And that's it. Now go and implement pole. Remember that you can always come back to the community and ask a question and engage with others in the network. We'll see you soon.